Ready to weld? ReadyArc is the welder rental specialist. We have the welding equipment and expertise to tackle any size welding project. For over 70 years, ReadyArc has been providing customers of all sizes, from small shops to large companies, with projects across multiple sites in the United States and Canada with the welding equipment they need, when and where they need it. Whether you walk into one of our rental centers or utilize our national accounts program to help you navigate equipment needs in various geographies, you'll have access to an expansive fleet of equipment. Choose from a comprehensive selection that offers premium versatility with machines that are capable of handling stick, MIG, TIG, flux cord, and carbon arc gouging processes. For welding jobs requiring the highest degree of quality, rely on our selection of advanced process welders to achieve sound weld quality and deliver exceptional results. Welding stainless steel or titanium tubing? With the most advanced orbital welding equipment on the market today and in-house process expertise, we have solutions to help you produce repeatable, clean, and consistent welds that meet stringent sanitary requirements. Check out our comprehensive line of weld automation equipment, including positioners, manipulators, and turning rolls. We provide turnkey weld automation packages as well as installation and training. Quickly scale up your production capacity and consistently weld quality parts with a BotX Cobot welding system. ReadyArc welding specialists can install the BotX on your site and train your team to use it in just a few hours. For your pre- and post-weld heat treating needs, we offer a full line of heat treating equipment designed for any application. Our heating equipment ensures you'll be able to self-perform heating applications and achieve the right temperature to meet your code specifications quickly and safely. Need job site power? We rent towable diesel, fuel generators, and power distribution panels to keep you powered on anytime, anywhere. We offer a variety of plasma cutting systems for cutting and gouging metal, including systems equipped with Hypertherm Sync technology that make plasma cutting setup easier and more efficient. Looking for a more effective way to clean machinery and equipment? Try our dry ice blasting equipment for a faster, greener solution for cleaning and prepping surfaces instead of using harsh chemicals that generate waste. The dry ice blasting process also removes surface contaminants and kills E. coli, listeria, and salmonella. But what really sets ReadyArc apart? Our customer service and welding process expertise. With more than 50 locations, flexible options to rent, lease, and purchase new or used equipment, plus a team of welding experts ready to support you, we're always here to listen to your specific needs and help you select the right equipment to get the job done. Call ReadyArc today, stop by one of our 50 rental centers, or visit us online at readyarc.com.